What's up, everyone? My name is King MW3 bringing to you another episode of Modern Warfare 3, and we're gonna play some shooting games. Here we go, Team Deathmatch, Overwatch. I'm just gonna check if they're winning or not. There's one to go. Camper. Yep, they're winning. No one. Damn. I see one. He's dead. He's dead. Oh, he sniped me. God damn it. Go on to that. He's dead. I killed myself. I got a kill. What it is, what it is. I'll make it full. Nope. Kobe. Damn it. No. I messed that up. Damn. Oh, he's dead. Oh my gun. Try to do Santino shit. Oh shit. Oh, you're dead. You ain't shotgun me, you faggot. Almost about to die. Oh, he's camping. Wow. Yes. Oh, now they make our comeback. Oh no, not for long. Fuck. Yes. Yes. I don't give a damn. I don't care. That's Kobe right there. Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Oh. We gotta go all out. Kobe, I got flash. Oh, too easy. I got my final kill. And right to your fucking back. Right to the fucking back. We put another one. Man, you got this. We're gonna go black box. Get out of here. Alright, let's put another one. Alright. This with no headsets. Damn. Alright, we're going to represent. I can't remember this word. We'll see that match. So, yes, we're going to this place. Love this place. Always get first blood. Sometimes I don't. And this guy advised me, so I don't care about it. I'm being on to him later. Oh, get the fuck out of my way. Kobe. Oh no! First blood. Still nothing. C4? Please. Oh, he got me. So he was in the car, but yeah, because he's faggot, that's why. Yes, we do. I got him. Oh, he's behind me. Oh, I got him. You got stabbed. Might get him. Might get him. Nope. I might get him. I'll flash out. Yep, C2. Oh, no, no! Ah, god damn it. Right there. Ah. Flash out. Got him. Got him. Don't see what? Oh, he's camping. Oh, this guy's camping. Don't like that. Alright. I might get him. Right there. Oh, nobody's there. Oh, please. He's coming from the right, left. Come from the left. Oh, I see him. He's coming. Ah, someone, no! Get him move. This one is coming. Fuck, I ain't get one. Dead. Oh! 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 Oh, not to me. Oh, okay, whatever. I see two of them. I see two of them. Oh! I can't see with the smoke. I might get him. Yeah, baby. I don't play, son. Hey, he's coming the other way. Might get him. Might get him. I want to see your face. Oh, he got me. You know why I'm mad. Kobe. Ah, Kobe. Kobe said, hell yeah. Fucking right. Fucking right. All right. Oh, the helicopter's coming. Nope. He's dead. He's really dead. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Don't worry. We got this in the bag. Flag out. Alright, I didn't get one. What a camper! Camper. I got him. Kobe. Oh, fuck you, man. Another helicopter. What the hell's going on? Oh, fuck you. I know. Easy kill for me. I don't care. That's good. We have rocket launchers. Yeah, what is going on? They keep camping. There we go, I got one. Oh, so I knew it. I knew it. Right there. It's gonna be splash time. Splash, splashy splash. By King Emily 857 triple kill, baby. Kill, baby. Give it. Oh. Now they tied the game up. This is not good, folks. Kobe. Nothing. How'd they still get helicopters? I gotta get inside. Get inside, get inside. Get inside. Haha, too late, bitch. Oh, you got the Reaper. That's not enough. You got the helicopter destroyed. Oh, he scared me. He scared me. It's not good. Not good. Oh. Oh, shit. No. Oh, okay. Ah! He lost. Oh, my goodness. We got the out! Oh, we lost! Oh, we lost! Oh, that was so close. Oh, I thought he got him. You know you would be dead right now. Oh, my goodness. You should never lost like this, man. Come on, they made a comeback. Alright, y'all. Alright, that's the video for today, and we're going for the next video. And see ya!